no. Oh God, oh God.
Fuck. Ooh. Oh, son of a bitch.
They're not my favourites, but they'll do. Oh, he's lost his wheel. Oh God. See if I can help him.
Oh shit.
Oh, he's on his wheel out.
Oh crap.
I'll see if I can help him push it out of there. You need to move and park. There's no double yellows.
I have a camera.
Chinese team aboard the station could be extracted. Colonel Chang, drop ship as soon as you can do so safely. Yes, sir, Chang replied. This is a good opportunity for training, but
If the accident didn't wear out his voice there, yeah, you really want to bubble wrap that shit. You were very worried about Axel's voice. Oh, very concerned. Yeah. Anyway, just wrapped up our interview with Carmine Apiece. God, I could talk rock and roll debauchery.
Oh my god. 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 Oh, and you just cut him off.
it. 3 stops. Nice.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
The van got it too.
Oh my gosh.
Let's save that.
I saw that one going. What happened to the guy that turned around? He was on
The real violent crime. All the violent crime. Who shows up for that? I would imagine you have to have a few detectives left that can investigate. I don't know.
Are you freaking kidding me,
Some
lady?
wanted to fund by 90%. What's that? In fact, they want to abolish. Some of them
Run the
want
red
to use
light.
the word abolish the police department. There's some of the outside things they want to do. No more no-knock search warrants. No more military-style raids on the homes of suspects. And restricting the flow of military gear to police departments, banning the use of any military equipment on protesters. Not sure what that would be, but and why would you?
I remember going here with my dad. I had to apply for employment insurance. Because back then you can't do it online. You had to go there. Oh, you okay?
Oh, you can't run.
Damn it! Did I stop? It's broken. Stop, please. Can we call the cops?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Holy shit.
Kevin, are you okay? I'll call the cops.
Holy shit.
Kevin, I'll call the cops.
I couldn't see his license.
Are you okay? Kevin.
Yeah, I'm okay. I wasn't hurt.
Okay, thank you.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.